Hey boss.
Did you sample that?
Alright, so it's tattoo day, y'all. It's tattoo day. It's tattoo day, and my dad's gonna come pick me up right now. So I'm going to the car. They got me a new car. New car and a tattoo today. I think I said that earlier. So, ooh, I cannot walk in the grass. Not right now. I don't know if y'all can see me. Oh, there go the car, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there go the car, y'all. Ooh, I'm happy. I'm happy as hell right now. I'm so happy right now. So, I got a new car, and right now we're finna go get something to eat right now, and I don't know where we're gonna go eat at, but this is my dad.
What's going on? Who's that?
Vlog.
Oh.
You wanna say something?
Oh yeah, what's going on? We out here, man. Yeah.
So we are currently in Shreveport, Louisiana. This is my mom's hometown, so she knew this guy, I think in high school, and now he does tattoos. So I'm finna get a tattoo from him. And then, I'll show y'all the before and after if y'all wanna see that. But then later on, I'm gonna show y'all my car, do a little car tour, and then after that, I'm gonna, after I do the car tour, then I'll answer the questions, because I know some people have some questions for me, like just random questions. So then I'll do that. But my hair looking a little messed up right now. That's because I was asleep a little bit ago, but it's getting long. Look it up. It's getting there. So I'll see y'all when I'm finna get my tattoo. Oh my god. You know what, right now, if you haven't done so already, like and comment. No, like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Please, because I'm finna lose, enthusiasm. No, I'm gonna lose motivation to even make YouTube anymore. I'm like, what's the point? So, like and subscribe and comment right now if you think I'm gonna cry or pass out. Comment, because you already know I don't like needles. That's why I got my ears pierced, but took it out for basketball. And I didn't get this one pierced because it hurt too bad. So I only got one ear pierced because I really don't like needles. So this is a tattoo on my arm, so hopefully it don't hurt that bad, but I'm finna get one right now. So comment right now if you think I'm gonna cry. Comment right now. Oh my god, that's nasty. Okay, so I did not record myself in the tattoo parlor because I was nervous, but after this clip, I'm getting my tattoo. Like, he's literally starting it, like the first needle. Like, he already put the stencil on everything. He already wiped my hand down. He's putting the needle on my hand, like on my arm. After this, enjoy. That hurt a little bit.
Breathe. Is this your phone or is this your screen? That's perfect.
That's my Screen case. I don't even know. Y'all, it hurts a lot. Don't ever get a tattoo, bro. It hurts. Oh, God. All right, y'all. There we go. Here's the guy that did it right here. Yes, sir. Looks nice. What's up, y'all? So, food is coming, y'all. We at Chili's right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me.
Salsa, you're welcome. You're so excited.
But we at Chili's right now, and we finna eat. I don't know. My mom and my brother, my sister, and my dad. We're all here. This is for the vlog.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We all here, man. We doing the same thing every day. All right. So y'all wanted to see the tat that I got. It's still healing. But this is what I got. It's healing, but if you can see, it look pretty good, no cap. And then my mom got 2 of them, so yeah. I mess around, got a cheeseburger and fries. So, yeah. I have to catch y'all when I get back to the dorm, and I'll show y'all my. That's my car. No cap. But yeah, when I get back to the dorm, I'll holler at y'all. No cap. Noah. No more soda.
Why?
Stop drinking soda, Noah.
Why?
That soda's not good for you. What is that?
Orange?
Orange? Orange what?
Orange soda?
Orange soda. Okay. Hello, everybody. So I know I have not been recording as much, but I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of my car. A little small tour, then I'll finish the tour tomorrow. But as you can see, all right. So I'm gonna give y'all a tour right now. Hold on. As you can see, here's the front. I don't want to show my license plate, but here's the front. It looks better with the lights on, but that's the front. Got the chrome dome. I'll show y'all the inside tomorrow, but the inside nice too. This is the side view. Got a 10 on it, you already know. Yeah. My trunk, I ain't got shit in my trunk now, I'm gonna cap. I got some Uggs that my parents brought me. The trunk is a pretty good size, not even gonna cap. You got 2 lights, or 1 light in the trunk. Got a little rope thing, I don't know what that's for. Maybe like for groceries. And this is basically my car. Look at the parking on this, bro. Inside the lines on both sides. Can I get a dub in the chat, boys? Look at the 10 on that hoe, bro. And then they got this on the top layer to like block the sun when it's light outside. But yeah, this is my car right now. I don't know what to name it, so comment what I should name my car in the comments. I really do not know what to name my car. But I'll show y'all the inside tomorrow though. Back again. I just got back to my crib and I'm feeling a little saucy right now. I'm not even gonna cap, I'm feeling a little saucy, but gotta get undressed, you feel me? And I'm finna give y'all an unboxing. You know, just show y'all a little taste of what I got here. I mean, show y'all a little taste of what I got. So shoot. Show y'all a little taste. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on. All right, this is a little taste. So you got the Uggs box. Uggs box. 12. Take off that. Got some nice packaging. Look at this. That's lotion. I need that. Ooh. That's tough. That's tough for real. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Boy. Whew. Look at that. Oh my God. Gotta take the sticker off. What is this? I could probably put that on my wall or something, but that's it. Y'all know what it is. Got the Uggs on deck. Add that to my collection with the Champion slippers. No cap. Drippy? Like, am I dripping or what, y'all? Like, damn. Damn. Call me Driptastic Zay out here. Goddamn. It hasn't got wet yet, so we'll show what we got. For y'all that don't know, you always go with can 2, and that's on God. Always go with can 2, no cap. Alright, boys, just got out the shower and did my hair a little bit. So right now, what I'm about to do is take off the plastic. Ooh, Lord. Okay, ready? Ready? This is before take off the plastic. Okay, ready? Gonna take it off right now. Actually, I can give y'all a better view. Oh my Lord. All right, so this video got cut off because my mom ended up calling me and it got cut off. Sorry.
Now it seems like it's moist, and that's the key about keeping your tattoo looking good. Oh, I see the eyelashes. They pop.
Yes, yes. You know what he did to the eyelashes? The eyelashes, he did like this. So he did like this.
But what I want to say is,
Look how many.
Let me see the tattoo that you got, Mom. Can't really see. Oh, yeah, right. So this did not hurt at all?
no.
Okay, wait.
Don't let the dirty corner.
Let me see the video first of all.
This is a day in the life. All right, so my phone died, but if y'all hear some people talking, it's from the mic. I'm on PS4 right now with my friends, but like I said, I got the stat going. I don't want to get into my roommate's stuff, but it's just to update. Got some Pepsi. Gotta have this fucking juice. Come on, and apple juice, of course. Chips, towels, the essentials. I don't know if y'all can see it, but okay. Not gonna lie, our fridge looking kind of iffy. Not gonna cry. I got it is saltine and oatmeal cream pies. Gotta have that. You already know it's got some bread, but yeah. So all I gotta say, you already know what it is. It's your boy Z-Boy, Zay Drip, Zay Thompson, Z-Boy with the new tat and the new car. You already know what it is. And just to recap, if you want to get a tattoo, do not get it. If you do, get it on your forearm. or your shoulder. That's it. That's all I'm finna tell y'all. Last little look at the tat right here, close up. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boy, no cap.